In this video, I am going to talk about the Hamster Kombat scams. Yes, there is a lot of scams going on when it comes to Hamster Kombat. So I am going to address all these scams, okay? Because I've gotten a lot of people talking about this scam, complaining to me that they have been scammed by Hamster Kombat. So I'm going to clear this, okay? So if you are new, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I don't create videos only about cryptocurrencies. I create videos about email marketing, website development, and any other related content. All right, so please subscribe and also follow me on X and join my Telegram channel. All right, so now let's get straight to the video. So now this is it. Okay, so one, it says community update. Okay, so this is Hamster Kombat, right? And there is no any blue check over here, so it's very alarming. So now when you check this, you can see hamster underscore Kombat, and you just check the name, you can see that no, this name is not the real Hamster Kombat. So they are saying Hamster Kombat players can sign up for our special list. So to push you to click on the link so that you go and enjoy their special list. Right, this is a scam. Looking at this, the username, looking at this site, you don't have to be clicking on such link. Why? Because we have something we call the cookie stealer. So the person can write a code, okay, and associate the code to this link. Okay, so when you click it, it is going to store your cookies. Now when it stores your browser's cookies, it can get into your account. Okay, so I'm just going to right click and I'm going to copy the link, and I'm going to open it in the incognito tool, which is this one in Windows, sorry, the incognito window, and I'm going to paste it over here. We are going to check out what is inside this particular website. All right, so this is the website. So you can see whitelist hamsterkombat.com, right? So I'm going to just check this and let's see what's there. So now you can see this is the website. All right, so you can see white paper coming soon, Hamster Kombat. Okay, so you can see Hamster Kombat whitelist registration. Hamster Kombat user is now eligible to register for our whitelist. Explore. Okay, so let's say we want to register. Just click on register and let's see. So you can see it says we should connect our wallet. Now when you do a mistake and you connect your wallet, what is going to happen is that it is going to steal your phrase, okay, your wallet phrase. And when it steals your wallet phrase, the person can get into your wallet and steal all the assets in your wallet. So you have to stay vigilant. Okay, you have to stay vigilant. Okay, so don't click on this website. Don't click on it to connect your wallet, or else you are doomed. All right, so now done with this. So the next scam that I'm going to talk about is this one. It says that hamster token is claim is live. So Blu-ray holders are eligible to claim hamster tokens and claim now. So they have provided us with a link to claim our hamster token. But before that, let's check something. So you can see this is Hamster Kombat, and this Hamster Kombat has a check mark. So you probably say, hey, wow, then this is the real Hamster Kombat. No, wait. Now when you check the username over here, it says Kali P Tech. So that means that is not the real Hamster Kombat, right? So you have to be very, very careful when clicking on links. Now at the end of the video, I'm going to show you the real Hamster Kombat account, or the Twitter account, so that you follow that one, so you will not be scammed. You understand? So let's say I am going to copy this, okay, then I'm going to open it in the Windows incognito tool, which is this one. So I'm going to just paste it there and let's see. So now when I clicked on that, it redirected me to token hamsterkombat.pages.dev, right? So now you can see hamster token claims, and you can see it is the same website of Hamster Kombat. So you will think this is Hamster Kombat website, but this is not Hamster Kombat website. So when I click on claim, all right, so it's also asks you to connect your wallet. You can see that all these two websites, you understand, are using the same strategy. just to steal your phrase, your wallet phrase. And then when they get it, automatically your wallet asset, all your assets will be stolen. You understand? It will be stolen. And this kind of scam pages, I can create them. I know how to create them. You understand? How to duplicate pages. I know how to create these things. So don't fall for this. Okay, it's basically it's cloned, okay, the original Hamster Kombat website. You understand? So you have to be very careful when clicking on links. And as I'm saying, they can attach a cookie stealer to it. That when they attach a cookie stealer to it, automatically when you click on the link, it is going to steal your browser's cookies. And that is very, very dangerous, because what is going to happen is that all the accounts you have logged in with that browser, the person can use that cookie section to just log in without your password or without the email. You understand? So you have to be very careful. Hamster Kombat. Now let me go and show you the Hamster Kombat website and their real account. So let's scroll up. So this is Hamster Kombat real account. This is it. So you can see under it we have hamster underscore combat, and you can see we have 8.4 million followers. You understand? So that is it. That is the real one. So this is their website. Their website is hamsterkombat.io. So when I click on it, I'll be taken to their website. So you can see this is their website, and you can see Hamster Kombat website. It's just like what the other fraudsters or the scammers did. So they actually cloned it, okay, and that is it. So if you are new to Hamster Kombat, I'll leave the link at the description down below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also leave a comment at the comment section. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.